Welcome to BusyBooks. In this video, we will show you how to generate separate invoices. There are three types of invoices that can be printed and viewed. They are room invoice, room service invoice, and combined invoice. Combined invoice includes both room and room service charges. How to generate an invoice. To generate an invoice, go to Bookings. From the calendar, select the customer booking. Click on Actions and select Generate Invoice. Choose the printer and click on Print. How to print invoices. To begin, head to Bookings under Bookings tab. From the calendar, select the customer booking. To print combined invoice, click on Actions and select Print Invoice, Combined. Choose the printer and click on Print. Similarly, to print separate invoice for rooms and room services, click on Print Invoice, Rooms, and Print Invoice, Room Services, respectively. How to view invoices. To view invoices, go to Bookings. From the calendar, select the customer booking. To view combined invoice, click on Actions and select View Invoice, Combined. Similarly, to view separate invoice for rooms and room services, click on View Invoice, Rooms, and View Invoice, Room Services, respectively. How to email invoice. To email invoice, go to Bookings. From the calendar, select the customer booking. Click on Actions and select Email Invoice. Select the type of invoice that you want to send and enter the email ID. Click on Send. Your email has been successfully sent to the customer. How to cancel invoice. Now to cancel invoice, go to Booking. From the calendar, select the customer booking. Click on Actions and select Cancel Invoice. And you are done. How to recover and update invoice. To recover and update invoice, go to Bookings. From the calendar, select the customer booking. Click on Actions and select Recover and Update Invoice. Thank you for watching.